forgotten nation. Its aboriginal inhabitants, those heirs. The Moroccan Empire, in its vast greatness across land masses of the world, seemed so that history only graces the pages of those well-hidden and sacred books. We have always been here on Turtle Island as a nature evolves, ancestors return, we awaken in that Christ mind to challenge the times.